Imagine a world where you can eat enjoy joystick with harming animals or the environment. Sound like science fiction? Well, it's not. Lab-grown meat or cultivated meat is a groundbreaking innovation in the world of food biotechnology, and it is closer to becoming a reality than you think. But how exactly does this technology and why are major companies and investors pouring millions into it? Let's dive in and find out. Cultured meat, also known as lab-grown meat, is a meat produced by culturing animal cells in a lab with the need to raise or structure animals. The process starts by taking a small sample of cells from an animal and placing them in the nutrient-rich medium that includes amino acids, carbohydrates, and growth factors. These cells multiply and form muscle tissue, which closely resembles the meat we traditionally consume. Cultured meat address some of the biggest challenges facing traditional animal farming. The environmental impact of raising livestock is significant, contributing to greenhouse gas emission, deforestation, and extensive use of the land and water resource. Cultured meat offers sustainable alternatives, significantly reducing carbon footprint, land use, and water consumption. Additionally, there are ethical concerns related to raising and slaughtering animals for food. Cultured meat provides a solution that allows us to enjoy meat without causing harm to animals, making it a more human choice. With the global population continuing to grow, cultured meat could also help meet the rising demand for food in a more sustainable way. The production process of cultured meat begins with a small piece pie from an animal, often taken in a non-invasive way. The cells are then placed in a bioreactor, which acts like a mini factory that mimics the animal natural environment. Inside this controlled environment, the cells are fed the right nutrients to grow and multiply, eventually forming muscle tissue. In the bioreactor, the cells grow without the risk of contamination, forming tissue that can be harvested after several weeks. This process is much faster than raising animals to maturity. One of the biggest challenges is representing the texture and mouthfeel of conventional meat, but the advances in technology bring it cultured meat closer to taste and texture traditional meat. The cultured meat industry is rapidly expanding, driven by several pioneering biotech companies and substantial investment. Some of the key players include Offsite Foods, one of the industry leaders, has attracted major investment from high-profile individuals like Bill Gates and Richard Branson. The company is focused on producing a variety of meats, from chicken to beef, and is on the brink of bringing its live product to market. It's Just or Good Meat. It's Just was the first company to get regulatory approval to sell cultured chicken in Singapore in 2020. The company has raised over $300 million to expand production and make its lab-grown product commercially viable worldwide. Alex Farms, based in Israel. Alex Farms specializes in producing cultured steak from cow cells. The company has garnered attention from global investors and aims to bring its cultured meat product to market within the near future. Cultured meat sector has caught the attention of investors worldwide with hundreds of millions of dollars being funded into startups working on this breakthrough. Analysts predict the global cultured market could be worth billions within the next decades as more countries approve lab-grown meat for sale and consumption. Major industries including food tech, biotechnology, and even traditional meat companies like Tyson Foods and Cargill are investing heavily in cultured meat startups. As production technology improves and cost decreases, cultured meat is expected to become a viable alternative to conventional meat on a large scale. Despite its promising potential, Caterpillar still faces several challenges. One of the biggest hurdles is the high cost of production, which remains significantly higher than that of traditional meat. However, as technology advances and economies of scale kick in, prices are expected to drop off for the next few years. Another challenge is consumer attention. Many people are still skeptical about eating lab-grown meat, even though it offers clear environmental and ethical benefits. Education and awareness will be the key to increasing consumer acceptance and making cultured meat a regular part of our diets. The cultured meat is a perfect example on how biotechnology is reshaping the future of food by reducing environmental impact, offering a more ethical alternative, and attracting mature investment. Lab-grown meat is set to play a big role in our food system future. Will cultured meat become our per hour everyday diet? Only time will tell. But one thing is for sure, we are witnessing the dawn of food revolution. What do you think about cultured meat? Would you try it? Let us know in the comment and don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting content about the future of food investment and technology.